Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. We have an extra special surprise for you today.
We certainly do. It's Rosemary Butter Bean Dip. This recipe is an absolute doddle. All you have to do is put everything in your blender and whiz it up.
You almost don't need a recipe for this one.
Really?
It's so easy. Just look at that. Look how easy it is.
Now, this is one of our videos for the Veganuary meal plan we're doing for free. And if you want more of these videos, you're going to have to subscribe to the channel.
Also, you can find that meal plan if you click the link in the description. Come and do Veganuary with us. Do it right. Eat the rainbow and feel fantastic.
With great ease comes great deliciousness.
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 Let's taste this incredible rosemary butter bean dip. It looks unbelievable.
Doesn't it
Look
just?
how creamy it is. We're gonna serve this with whole wheat crackers. Let's have a dip. That is next level hummus. It's also healthy for you. You're getting good fats, you're getting protein. This is a delicious dip.
And if you've got any comments at all about this video, below, that's the section you need to leave them. And we read every one.
That's it. Bish,
Bash,
BOSH!